Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the topic boiling. This is very important topic as far as chemistry paper is concerned. So concentrate yourself. Boiling is the process whereby a liquid changes into a gas. This change in state occurs inside the liquid. So this is very important point. This change in state occurs inside the liquid, not at the surface. Heat is absorbed during boiling. Boiling takes place at a fixed temperature called the boiling point. The boiling point is the fixed temperature at a certain pressure whereby a liquid changes into a gas. A pure liquid has a fixed boiling point. Impurities elevate the boiling point of a substance. Increasing pressure increases the boiling point of a substance. The heating curve for changing a liquid into a gas at a constant pressure is shown below in figure below. From the graph, T2 degree C is the boiling point of a liquid. So here is the T2 degree C. At this temperature, this liquid will started converting into a gas because this is the boiling point. The liquid starts to boil at temperature T2 degree C. That is, the liquid starts to change into a gas. Temperature remains constant from time T3 to T4. Here is T3 temperature time and here is T4 time. This is the time during which temperature remains constant, as heat slide is used to break the attraction between the particles in order to separate them. Both liquid and gas exist in equilibrium during the boiling process. And at time T4, the liquid has changed completely into a gas. So here is the time T4. At this temperature, full liquid will be converted into gas. Next topic in the lecture is an experiment, that is actually the determination of a boiling point. Set up the apparatus as shown in the diagram, making sure the thermometer is held just above the surface of the water, like this. Don't touch the thermometer with water, just kept the thermometer above the water. Heat the water until it boils. So provide heat and heat the water until it boils. This will be when it is bubbling vigorously and giving off a lot of steam. Record the highest reading on the thermometer. So when this water starts boiling vigorously, note the temperature from the thermometer. That will be the boiling point of the water. Now we are going to read an example. An organic compound L has a melting point of -33 degrees C and boiling point of 66 degrees C. In an experiment, the compound L has heated steadily from -100 to +100 degrees C. Sketch a graph to show the change in the temperature with time as compound L is heated. So first part is sketch a graph, and we have to draw the graph from -100 to +100 because -33 degrees C is the melting point. So this is the melting point of the compound, and then 66 degrees C is the boiling point of the compound. So this is the sketch from -100 to +100. B part is state the physical state of L at the following temperature: -100 degrees C. At -100 degrees C, the compound will be a solid. At 0 degrees C, because -33 degrees C is the melting point of the compound, so at 0 degrees C, the compound will be in a liquid state. And 66 degrees C is the boiling point of the compound, so at 100 degrees C, the compound will be in a gaseous state. C part is draw the arrangement of the particles of the L at 0 degrees C. Because at 0 degrees C, the compound will be in a liquid state. So this will be the diagrammatically representation. There must be shown a gravitational pull. So particles should be arranged in disorderly manner, and gravitational pull should be shown in the diagram. D part is keeping temperature constant at 80 degrees C. Suggest how you can affect a change in this state. So temperature will kept constant. Definitely other thing that can affect a change will be a pressure. So at 80 degrees C, compound L is a gas. To change the gas into a liquid, a high pressure is applied to compress the gas. So this was the topic. Read it again, make your notes. Thank you so much.